6 o'clock, Jude, nak. Bless na, mami. Bless, mami, kay 6 o'clock. God bless you, anak. God bless you, anak. What do you say to mami, nak? Thank you. Nothing?
Where's my cuddle? Jump, jump, jump. Oh!
Good
Hello.
job, Lala.
Yes.
Bless, daddy? Good girl. Hindi tayo mag-music, guys, kasi baka makapiright tayo. So, acapella lang tayo. Cause there is no guarantee. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It's currently 3 o'clock ng hapon and nag-lunch break si ate nyo. Nandito ako sa kwarto nag-open ng ating vlog for today kasi si Daddy Mike ay walang work again today. He is on annual leave again today and may kausap siya sa phone. Since kanina umaga pa talaga yan siya, guys, may kausap sa phone. Hanggang ngayon, nasa phone pa rin. Anyways, yung gagawin natin sa lunch break ko, guys, is, can you remember about my ASOS saga? Yung return labels na hindi nag-work. So, today is the day. Dadalhin natin yung parcel doon sa parcel point. But before that, kailangan kong pumunta sa office kasi I need to print the return label tapos i-attach ko sa satchel. Before tayo lumabas, since nandito na naman tayo sa kwarto, isi-share ko sa inyo yung ating positive quote of the day. It says here, something amazing is going to happen to me today. Ayan. So, maybe it's a sign na, guys, na magiging okay na ang ating return. Na magiging okay na lahat, na pwede na natin i-post na yung return label ay valid na this time. So, maybe that's a sign. Fingers crossed. Yung baby girl pala natin ay nasa childcare ngayon kasi, di ba, Tuesday. Anyways, alis na tayo, guys. Tingnan nyo sa labas, guys. So, it's been like this all day today. Wala si haring araw. And it has been raining. Tingnan nyo. Basa ko. Ayan. Tapos, nandito na ang aking jacket kasi maginaw siya sa labas. Yes, guys, it's spring. Pero maginaw pa rin. Susuotin ko na naman ang ating uniform na jacket. And then this ASOS thing. Sana hindi na kita madala pag uwi ko. Kasi itong panahon namin sa Melbourne ba, buang-buang din. Panapanahon ang pagkakataon. Tingnan natin ang ating mailbox. So, one day warm siya, tapos the next day it's cold again. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ewan ko. Ang hirap ispilingin ng weather namin dito sa Melbourne, guys. Kaya si Daddy Mike, he's over it. Gusto niya talagang gusto na niyang pumunta ng Brisbane. Well, what can you do? We're all stuck. We're still stage 4 lockdown. Bumalik ako ng bahay sandali, guys, kasi yung pinaka-importante na bagay na dapat kong dalhin, which is my laptop, nakalimutan ko. Dala-dala ko tong laptop ko na to, guys. Ayan, oh, nilagay ko sa IGA na bag. Kasi nga kailangan kong pumunta sa office, diba, para i-print yung ating label. Kaya very important. Tapos nakalimutan pa. Anyways, I'm gonna make a move, guys. I'll see you again very soon. So, kakapark ko lang dito sa labas ng office. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin sa taas kasi madalian lang talaga to. I'm just gonna go print and then come back down. Tapos punta na tayo sa parcel point. So, nandito na-print na ang ating paperwork. And alam niyo, guys, kasi yung laptop kasi namin, parang connected siya via network. So, hindi na talaga kailangan na dalhin ko yung laptop ko dito para mag-print. Kasi pagdating ko dun sa taas, guys, na-print na to siya. But, I was just being careful, you know, kasi baka hindi siya nag-print and kailangan ko na namang umuwi. So, it's better safe than sorry. Kaya yan. So, nandito na lahat. And, naghiram na rin ako ng ganito para attach ko na siya sa ating plastic bag. Oh my God, sana matapos na talaga to, guys. I can't wait na matapos na tong problemang to. Finally, na-attach ko na siya, guys. Fingers crossed, wala nang problema from here. Magdadrive na tayo papuntang parcel point. Hi guys! Okay, so kakadrop ko lang ng ating parcel. Tapos si ate, sabi niya, in a perfect world, makakatanggap ka ng text message from parcel point na parang resibo ba na dinrap ko dito yung tawag ito, yung parcel. Pero minsan daw, hindi daw nangyayari. Pero, nakakatakot naman kasi baka mawala ba tapos walang trace. Pero sabi naman niya, I will do it now. I will lodge it now. Kahit na wala kang matanggap na text message, rest assured daw na ilalodge niya. So we'll see guys. I'll keep you updated kung ano nang mangyari sa ating parcel guys. Oh my God, as if naman na $1 million tong ating jeans lang naman pala. Anyways, even if it's only $1 guys, it's worth something, right? Guys, kakapark ko lang sa labas ng bahay. Finally, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, no? Parang, kailan lang umalis ako, nagprint ako sa office, pumunta ako ng parcel point, ngayon nakauwi na naman ako. And then, back to work na naman tayo. Very lucky kasi everything is very close to me. So, yung office ko, yung parcel point, hindi masyadong malayo. Anyways, on my home, nakinig ako ng Wild FM Iligan at kay Sugar Dolly. Kasi pag ganitong oras guys, Sugar Dolly yung DJ. And pinlay nila yung kay Miley Cyrus ba ngayon na very trending sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Facebook, kahit anong social media i-open ko guys. Very trendy talaga yung When I Look at You na challenge. Yun bang kumanta ng When I Look at You tapos nakahiga. So napag-isipan ko guys, kasi may time pa naman ako, I'm challenging myself. Challenge talaga yung sarili. Hindi kasi last time nag-usap kami ng sister Mimi ko and sabi niya mag-post daw ako ng ganun. So try ko muna dito sa ating vlog guys kung kaya ba natin. Dito lang ako sa sa sasakyan kasi si Daddy Mike ay nandun sa bahay and nahihiya ako marinig niya yung boses ko. Tapos iano lang natin yung ating upuan ganyan. Ganyan para nakahiga rin ba? 'Cause there is no guarantee that this life is easy. Yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light to break up the dark, that's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore, when I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. I look at you. Where's your bag? There it is.
It's missing.
Where's your water bottle?
Here you go, Mommy.
Okay, give it to Mommy. Thank you very much, my love. Good job. Lang buhok, oh. Maragilayog. Put it here now. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Go see Daddy at home. Where's Daddy?
There's goldfish.
Like a goldfish.
Goldfish are swimming.
Do you like the goldfish?
Yes, I like it. And Mommy, Daddy, the car.
Oh, would you like a fish? Would you like a fish at home?
It's a teal.
Oh,
It's teal.
what's the color of the fish?
This is yellow.
Is it?
This is yellow.
I don't think it's yellow, Nook.
This is orange.
Orange, that's right. Do you want to push the door?
I can push it door too.
Yeah, you can push the door too. 'Cause you-
I'm go.
Nook, did you hear the fire truck today?
Yes.
What was the sound of the fire truck?
Nino, Nino.
Nino, Nino.
Hello, Mom.
Eagle. There's eagle.
Hi, Eagle. Say Paris.
Hi, Eagle. Wanna play with Paris? Here, you pull the door. Pull. Pull. Kalala, careful. Pull na. Good job. Ay na. Ayaw na kayo mabuak na anak. Maguba. Alin na. Go. Careful with the water. Careful the water. Yeah. Jump. Jump like a big girl. Shush a buhok. Woohoo! Woohoo!
I'm surfing.
Oh, jumping.
I'm walking fast.
It's not working. I think it is working, my love. Woo! What's the color of your toy?
Yellow.
Yellow. How was your school today,
I'm
Nap?
walking fast.
How's your school today? Did you play? Did you play? My love? Nako.
Focus.
Crackers! Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome. Did you play outside today? Hmm? Shush. Did you eat noodles today? You did not? Anak, 6 o'clock jud nak. Bless the mommy.
This one.
Bless mommy kay 6 o'clock. God bless you, anak. God bless you, anak. What do you say to mommy, nak?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go see daddy. See daddy. See daddy. Would you like to check the mailbox now?
Yeah.
Check now before we go in. Maybe someone sent us $1 million.
Nothing.
Nothing? Nothing? Go see daddy. Ah. 6 o'clock good guys. Timing ang pag-uli. Knock on the door. Go. Knock. Call daddy. Call daddy.
Daddy.
Who's that?
Paris' face.
Where's my cuddle? Jump. Oh!
Good
Hello.
job, love.
Oh.
Say hi, daddy. How are you, daddy?
Kiss.
Did you bless daddy na? Huh?
Bless.
Bless daddy? Good girl. Baby Paris is working from home. Have a look. Yeah, sabi niya, I'm working, mommy. What is that? It's red. Okay, use the keyboard na. Type na, type. Yeah. Pasensya na kung maingay, guys, kasi tingnan nyo ang ating heater, oh. Oh, my baby is crying. Where's my baby? What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Tingnan nyo pala yung plant, guys. Dito. Di ba sa kwarto to siya, malapit sa mirror, sa loob ng kwarto. Nilabas ko siya dahil sa heater kasi, tingnan nyo, parang nalaya siya ba? Kaya may nag-comment sa inyo na ilabas ko kasi dahil yan sa heater, kaya dry na dry siya. Kaya nilabas ko muna, ayan, magkasama sila nito, oh. Dito kasi sa window na to, pag may sun, pag si haring araw ay nakalabas, naiinitan sila. Kaya dyan lang muna yan siya hanggang sa bumalik yung dati ng lakas. It's nearly 11 o'clock ng gabi and pasensya na ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. After ng dinner kanina, hindi na ako nakahawak ng camera ko kasi I spent time with Paris. Kaya, yun. Ay, oo nga pala, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina after kong ginawa yung challenge na yun. Kasi, di ba nagmadali ako kasi lunch break ko lang yun sa work. Tapos, by the time na natapos ko yun talaga, guys, nakatanggap ako ng tawag from work. Kaya, yun, inoff ko na lang yung camera. Tapos, pumasok ako ng bahay, nag-work. Update lang pala dun sa parcel, guys. So, nakatanggap ako ng email from Parcel Point. Oh, thanks the Lord. So, it means na na-process na yung return natin. And also, hopefully, ASOS will receive it very soon. And matanggap natin yung refund natin very soon as well. Ang gusto ko lang i-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers, guys. Welcome sa ating channel. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And of course, sa ating mga mahal na subscribers na hindi tayo iniiwan, palaging nanonood ng ating mga videos. Super thank you sa inyong lahat. Now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out. The first shout out goes to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Ruth Cosmiano Morales from Siargao Island with 3 kids, John, SJ, and Queenie. Shout out to Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal. Waverly VIC Valcorza from Abu Dhabi, UAE. Luis Manalastas, Vicky Inot, Rosana Mansueto, Riz Chano. Shout out to Chari Salazar, Eileen Suganob, and Yuli Suarez, Nimia Mandawi in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Pichi Santiago, Golda Ibanez. Shout out daw din kay Mark and Golda Artemio and Ruby Bulasa of Karkar City. Shout out to Don D. And also sa kanyang mother na si Leticia Detisio. Hello po. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Helen Abiertas, Daya Magallanes, Laura Del Castillo, and to Del Castillo family from Pasay City. Shout out to Eves Cruz, Jonathan Pireo from Siquijor, Bing Bernal, Lina de los Santos, Mad Brat, Bernadette Escocio, Sandra James from Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Shout out to Dicelyn Beltran, LV Monte Alegre, Faye Del Barrio, Everett Suta 53, and to her daughter Micaela Sueta. Shout out to Janice Dayao, April Rose Romero, Susana Webb from Arizona, USA. Shout out to Janet Samihon, Arlene Hoover. Shout out to Donna Ladera, Mamshi Nympha de Casa 24, KD Jack 16. Shout out to Maria Victoria Pangan and Jonah Reese. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah!